it meant a lot that there was somebody there, however ineffective they were there, they were working on our behalf, and that gave us comfort. I don't know whether they got results or not. I know we came out all right. As I said in my statement, I think that the United States is the so-called leader of the world. And if we don't set examples as to how we're going to lead by treating people with their decent human rights, we're in big trouble.
By the presider of these events, former Undersecretary of State and various others. The concern is that as a result of the Guantanamo case, it may now appear to other nations as the bully on the block. Because these prisoners stand in a kind of purgatory. They are beyond the reach of the rule of law, which is the very essence of America's role in the world. And it is particularly ironic that this should occur because they are imprisoned in Cuba, the island whose government, the United States, has so recently and so roundly condemned for its own arbitrary imprisonment of 78 dissidents against the rule of the Castro regime.
I personally don't see an end to the war on terror. Other government officials have said the same thing regarding when an end could be. And so I think for all intents and purposes, these folks are condemned to a life on Guantanamo Bay in the prison camps with not even an opportunity to have their issues aired, to have their situation reviewed by a tribunal.
And why the administration is getting a pass with the public, I think it's just continued hysteria over what happened in 9/11. And the people who are interested in the rule of law have to stand up to that kind of hysteria whenever it occurs.